Hello everyone, Saul here from Decoding the Market. Always happy to share important information with all of you and wishing to have a better editor to reach thousands of people who wants to grow in the financial cryptocurrency market. In fact, each of you can be my editor and help me to reach thousands and thousands of people like you who are interested to learn more in the market. Please hit the like button on your way in. If you are new, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You will not regret it. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. And thank you so much to supporting my work, which is free for all. With that being said, let's get access. Today I will share information about my roadmap that I share with all of you on May the 19th, and also you can go and check my previous analysis where we predicted the possibility to drop at these levels, which is showing you in this roadmap that I share in this particular day. Actually, it was the following day when the Bitcoin dropped at these levels, and day after I shared this possible move for the following months. Also, we will talk about Bitcoin puts and calls, the confirmation of my personal roadmap extended line graphic accumulation schematic that no one in the YouTube community have, only me and you will see it here first. And what to expect in the short term 4-hour chart. And also we are going to talk about the head and shoulders and the possibility to reach low or even mid 20s in the short term. Without further ado, let's get into the details. Let's take a look at the volume breakdown in Bitcoin to have a better flow in this analysis. As you notice, the volume in Bitcoin is increasing with 58% and the puts with 42%, and in Ethereum looks like already is 50-50, 49.9%, and the puts with 50.1%. Right here you can notice who is in charge at the moment, if the bears of the bulls. As you noticed a few hours ago, Bitcoin make a move to the upside, and right here you can see what is the reason. The volume increased to 58%. That is the reason Bitcoin make a move to the upside. Let's take a look at my idea that I shared on May 18 before the big drop and the day after. Actually, this idea I shared before the big drop. As you notice right here, I expect that the possibility to have a big drop here, and the following day was confirmed that the drop happened. And one of the things that I would like to share with you guys is that this extension line graphic and the prediction of the price movement, no one in the internet has this projection. And actually I shared this idea with Jordan and Conquer the Market, and he said that he is going to take this like a plan B, which, well, I mean, I respect this guy so much because I've been learning a lot from him, and he said that my idea, he will take it as a plan B. But I'm gonna show you how this prediction, this roadmap is working so far. I'm gonna move this line closer over here and you will see how the price is moving at the present days. It's right here. If you notice, is this graph that I move closer. If you notice, let me bring it back. Right here, all these points are in sync with this update graph. So if you notice, if you are asking to yourself in which phase we are in the Wyckoff schematic accumulation graph, I can show you, in my personal opinion, we are in phase B. Well, actually, I'm not saying, I mean, it's just the graphic is showing me that we are in phase B. If you have any comments about in which phase we are, well, I would like to hear from you in the comments down below. And some YouTubers are saying that we are in phase D, some YouTubers says that we are in phase E, and well, you can make your own judgments looking at this graph that no one in the internet have. Like I said before, the only person that have this prediction was Jordan in the Conquer the Market YouTube channel that I shared, which I recommended to you. Very, very, very good. But anyway, this is the idea that I shared before and showing you how well it's working so far. I mean, you can, like I said before, give me your thoughts about it. But if you notice, I believe we are in phase B. If you notice right here, if you clone this line, you can take a look that this is where we are now. So give me your comments down below and let me know if you think that we are in different phase. Let me remove these lines to continue with the and actually, before all this happened, I was analyzing the movement from Bitcoin. If you notice, this red line is the trillion level. Yeah. Since then, I was keeping track in the movements because it was very interesting to see these three moves in Bitcoin, similar moves. And actually, you notice right here that I wasn't sure that if the 4 will happen, and actually the 4, since I put it in a question mark, well, is when we have the big drop. So I was keeping an eye on this since then, and well, I mean, so far it's working as I predicted. So, and I believe right here in the test area, I'm not sure if we are here, but I believe that probably, since you see the difference between the price and my graph, it's obviously there is a difference. So that made me feel that the possible price that we can reach probably right here, this test, I don't know if we already tested, but I mean, we are in this area. But I think that's why I have this alert that at 28,400, because I believe that probably the lowest price still intact. That's why I've been thinking probably 28 could be this specific area. So give me your comments, and I would like to hear what you think about this. Now let's take a look at the 4 hours charts and what to expect in the short term. Please don't get intimidated with all these lines. I will explain it to you as good I can. If you notice, I have my flashlight right here, and right here is my spotlight. If you notice, from this point, Bitcoin, actually, we can say up to here, on 40,000, Bitcoin is having so much trouble to exceed these levels in the downtrend. So that's why I put it right here, my flashlight, and right here is my spotlight, all the way down here. So if you notice right here, it was the first time that Bitcoin have so much trouble to exceed these levels. Right here, second time, the third time, and basically it was today, have a big pump but close below, and we will see if this candle will close or above or can be rejected, because if it's going to be rejected right here to the downside, well, probably we are going to see a new move to the downside right over here. So I'm not sure. Let's wait until this actually it's like 2 minutes. Probably we will see if in 2 minutes we'll close. Obviously it's not gonna close above. It's in 2 minutes I don't think it's gonna move that much, but anyway, so probably the price will continue to the downtrend in the short term. And if you notice also as well that my alert, it's right up here in 28, is exactly the reason I put it right here, because probably it's going to test once again this level, which is 28,500. If test that this level, let's move it over here, 2850, let's save it. I believe, if you remember when I told you that the test, this area right here, maybe, let me see, I can move this right up here. Let's see if I can move this. Maybe it could be right up here. If you're, I don't know, I mean, that's why I put it right up here. I mean, it's can be right up there, right there. That's why I was saying that probably 28 could be a little bit lower, but still this graph is, I mean, just once again, give me your thoughts about in which phase we are. So probably we'll retest this area, so the 28,000, so which is, let me put it back right there, I think right there, and let me go back. That's why probably it's going to test right here this level again. So I'm not sure, just give me your thoughts if there is the possibility to reach once again this level. And I believe if it reaches this level, probably it's going to be fast. It's going to be fast if reach right here, and probably is going to do something like this and go to the uptrend. But the price, for me, the price it's staying in the same area. I'm not gonna be comfortable until Bitcoin break above 40 to $42,000. Give me your thoughts, or how long do you think Bitcoin is going back at least to 40 to $42,000. Let's take a look at this head and shoulders, guys. Have you noticed it's a huge, very huge head and shoulders? But right here we need to take a look at a couple things. Have you noticed there is the possibility that if this candle close below this trend line, since coming from March right here, and is acting as a support, well, I mean, we cross below this trend line, and we need to wait until tomorrow if that candle is closing above, but if closed below and still getting rejected, we probably come back to test this support level right here. And if we close below this area, guys, well, we need to be very careful because we have a gap to fill right here. This is the Bitcoin CME future. So normally every time when we have a gap, normally the price fill this gap in the future, even if it's in the uptrend or the downtrend. Let's take a look the example right here. We have right here one gap and the price went below and come back to the uptrend and fill this gap. And we can see a couple more right up here and over here, and all these two gaps eventually are filled. Right here we have one, and obviously right here was filled, and well, and so on. So right here we have this gap. So that is the reason I'm telling you guys that if the price closed below this trend line, which is showing right here right now, like I show you, and right here also, let's see if I can go back. Well, you remember that where I can, let's see if I can real quick show you where it is, the price right here. There is 1 day, we said we were in 4. Well, the price is going up, it's getting a pump right here. Remember, it was red and now it's green. And let's go back over here to see if we can close above this trend line. So I mean, let's see if that happened. If get rejected, guys, probably we are going to see another drop in the near future. Like I said, this is a huge head and shoulders. If the price is rejected below this trend line, well, probably is gonna test this. If we close below, well, the probability first is that we need to fill this gap. If we close below this gap, which is, let's see, the price is between 26,300 and 24,500. If we close below, well, guys, probably we can reach probably $20,000 right here. So give me your thoughts if we are going down or we can close above. But this is a head and shoulders, guys, and you know exactly how the head and shoulders works, that the probabilities that we can go down and fill this gap. Give me your thoughts if you appreciate this information and the work that I do. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I really appreciate you stay until the end of this video, and see you and talk to you in the next video with much more information. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day.